A new warning from North Korea has sent fresh shockwaves across East Asia. This time, the target is not directly Washington, but a close US ally, Japan. North Korean leader Kim Jong Un's powerful sister, Kim Yo Jong, has issued a sharp warning after Japan conducted a test involving US made Tomahawk cruise missile. In a statement carried out by North Korea's state media outlet KCNA, the sister accused Japan of rapidly transforming itself into a military power capable of launching pre-emptive strikes. She warned that Pyongyang would respond by developing what she describes as additional military option if Japan continues expanding its defense capabilities. In fact, they also blamed the United States for supporting Japan's military buildup, arguing that Washington's supply of advanced weapons, including Tomahawk missiles, it is changing the balance of power in the entire region. But yes, in the meantime, Japan says its military modernization is a response to growing security threat from multiple directions, including Russia, China, North Korea. Tokyo has been significantly expanding its defense capability in recent years, moving away from its traditionally limited military posture and its increasing investment into long-range missile systems. Now, for North Korea, these developments are being portrayed as direct threat. The danger is that every new missile test, every military exercise, and every warning statement, it adds another layer of tension to an already fragile region. And now, as Asia faces growing military competition, the US itself is preparing for another possibility, a future conflict involving the world's biggest nuclear powers. Because behind the scenes, the Pentagon is now rethinking how America would respond if a war breaks out with China or Russia. According to the reports, the Pentagon is working on a new nuclear strategy designed for a potential conflict involving major rivals like China or Russia. The strategy is reportedly being led by Defense Department policy chief. That person is examining how the US could respond if a regional conflict threatens to escalate into a larger confrontation. Ladies and gentlemen, one major focus of this review is the possible role of short-range tactical nuclear weapons into a crisis situation. The idea behind this strategy is to maintain a stronger deterrent, preventing an enemy from believing that America would hesitate to respond during a major territorial conflict. The updated plan is expected to be presented during a military event in Nebraska, where the decisions are going to take place. In the meantime, reports also suggest that the officials will visit the US Strategic Command, the organization responsible for managing America's nuclear forces, including their nuclear-capable submarines, bombers, and land-based missiles. The review comes at a time when Washington believes it faces an increasingly complex security environment. Pentagon, that organization has previously warned the United States could now face pressure from two major nuclear competitors, and that too at the same time. We are talking about China and Russia here. Officials have also raised concern over China's growing military cooperation with Moscow during the Ukraine war. Beijing is also accused of providing dual-use technology, including electronics and equipment that could support Russia's military capabilities forward. And in the end, at the very same time, Western officials believe that Russia's missile experience and technology sharing, it could help China improve areas like missile defense, submarine technology, and advanced weapon system. The US has expanded its security monitoring effort now, adding more foreign institutions from China, Russia, and Iran to a list of organizations considered potential national security risk. Message from Washington, very clear. The next major conflict may not only be fought with conventional weapons. It could involve a much bigger strategic contest involving tech, nuclear deterrence, and global influence.